Hello, my name is Edith. I just got my package from Kale Hair from Vietnam. I'm about to open the bag. These are the bag came. First thing I'm seeing now is my you can see this from KL Vietnam hair.
Oh, that's for me.
I think I have something inside.
That's for me.
I got some key holders. Thanks, KL. I love my gift.
Oh, stop.
Thank you.
Oh, stop.
So I'll be showing you the hair in a few minutes. Thank you. Good evening, everybody. My name is Edith from Nigeria. I actually got some help from KL Hair. KL is a hair company from Vietnam. This is their logo.
Wow.
And this is the gift I got from them. And some key holders too. The first I'll be showing you is my twist coils. This is a 14 inches twist coils. You can see how beautiful it is. And this is my pixie coils from KL. Pixie coils is so beautiful. And guys, this is my bone straight hair. It's looking so beautiful and perfect, and I love it. No short hairs. No short hairs. And no breakage too. The hair looks so perfect. Yes, this is my magic coils. This is my Fumi magic coils. Guys, all their hair actually looks so beautiful. Please, I will ask that you order from them, KL Vietnam. Their hair are good. And their shipping too, they are perfect. Their communication is perfect too. Please try and order from this company. I love you all. Thank you.
Go below to get more information. Thank you.